amigos, if it's your first time, welcome. I'm Ulysses Cruz. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of experience. The last 5 years doing plant-based cooking, and today's video we're gonna make one acai bowl. Yes, acai bowl. You're gonna love it. Also, you can make it a smoothie or you can add it any of the toppings. All it's up to you, is optional, but you know, why wait too much? Let's do it. Let's do it. So amigos, we're gonna make it on the easy way. First, frozen fruit. Daddy. Oh my god, this is something like a 1 cup or a little extra, but it's not a big deal. Let me see. Actually it's close to the cup. It's almost 1 cup. And you need a frozen banana. 1 frozen banana, something like 6 ounces, something like 1 cup. I mean, just add a little of banana. It's something sweet. Okay, amigos, 1 banana, 1 cup of acai berries, and 1 tablespoon of nuts. Yes. Some pecans, and also the same with 1 tablespoon of. Yeah, you know what is this, right? Hemp seed. I'm gonna add it. Oh, no. Let's add it something creamy. Almond butter. Something like 2 tablespoons of almond butter. That's good. A little bit of agave. Just a little bit. You know, your banana and your almond butter are sweet, and the best, the main ingredient. I'm gonna add a little of protein. Actually, the 1 scoop should be right here in there. Okay, for the serving is by 2 scoops. That's it. That's all. Amigos, but don't forget, add a little bit of your nut milk. Actually, I'm going to shake it a little bit, so quickly. Just a little bit, so okay, it's good. Amigos, just right now I'm adding just something like 1/2 cup to 3/4 of cup of nut milk. If this needs a little bit more, I'm gonna add it a little extra. Otherwise, I don't need it. I'm going to make it something thick for the smoothie, otherwise it's going to be too watery. It's time to blend it. So amigos, this is maybe one problem that you're being there. Yes, if you think it's too thick, just add a little bit of extra nut milk. Please, it's better add it little by little, otherwise you're gonna ruin your smoothie or your bowl. Perfecto! This is insane, amigos. Let's see this texture. Look at this texture. So creamy. Looks too creamy. And I didn't add any oil. Just natural oil. Oils from the nut. You know, the butter. Just make sure everything is well blended. Look at this. It's not a big deal, but right now I'm gonna serve it. So amigos, it's very easy to make one smoothie or one bowl. If you're going to use fruit, try to use frozen fruit. Otherwise, you're gonna make it too watery. This is perfect. It's perfect. So right now I'm gonna serve it, and all is optional. You can serve it with any other fruit. Extra for your topping. You can add it frozen fruit, you can add granola, you can add other stuff. You can add other ingredients. There are no limits. You can add it as much as you want also, but just add something or try to make it delicious. Also taste it when you're blended. Just taste it if you really like it, or if it's enough sweet. Sometimes some kind of fruits are not really sweet. Sometimes, sometimes your smoothie need more sweet or extra sweetener. So, but all is optional. It's so creamy. It's too creamy. So, amigos, if you notice, for my bowl, it's so easy. Just I use 2 ingredients, 2 fruits. I mean, just acai and 1 banana, nut milk and butter. Also a little bit of sweetener and a scoop of protein. That rest is optional. You can add it others for nuts, other fruits. You can add other seeds. All is optional. All is up to you. And yes, I'm pretty sure that that's it. It's how to make 1 acai bowl in 3 minutes. Did you hear that? Oh my god. I recommend you see the other video how I made the granola. It's simple. You can, in less than 40 minutes, you can make 1 amazing granola like this. It's amazing. Can you hear it? So amigos, see you soon. Peace and love. Love to the acai bowl. See you soon. Peace and love.